Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're learning advanced English vocabulary about rooms in a house. Not just the basics like bedroom or kitchen, but unique rooms you'll hear in real conversations, travel, or even movies. Stay with me till the end, and you'll discover 25 new words with examples that will take your English to the next level. Let's get started. Master bedroom. The master bedroom has a balcony with a view. Dressing room. She chose her dress in the dressing room. Nursery. The baby sleeps in the nursery. Walk-in closet. His walk-in closet is full of shirts. Pantry. The pantry has rice, sugar, and oil. Utility room. The utility room has cleaning tools. Wine cellar. The wine cellar is under the house. Conservatory. They eat breakfast in the conservatory. Home theater. We watched a film in the home theater. Music room. She plays piano in the music room. Page 2. Game room. The game room has a pool table. Gym, fitness room. He exercises daily in the gym. Spa room. The spa room has a hot tub. Meditation room. She relaxes in the meditation room. Reading nook. I love sitting in the reading nook. Workshop. He builds furniture in his workshop. Greenhouse. The greenhouse is full of plants. Guest suite. Guests stay in the guest suite. Servants' quarters. The servants' quarters are at the back. Butler's pantry. The butler's pantry connects kitchen and dining room. Page 3. Foyer. Guests entered the house through the foyer. Cloakroom. He hung his coat in the cloakroom. Mudroom. The children left their boots in the mudroom. Trophy room. The trophy room displays all his awards. Library hall. The library hall is filled with old books. Music studio. She recorded her song in the music studio. Dining hall. The family ate together in the dining hall. Spa suite. The spa suite has a sauna and massage bed. Sun lounge. They relaxed in the sun lounge on weekends. Guest lounge. Visitors waited in the guest lounge.